Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel JSB Radiant Futures. Today we are starting a new current affairs session. Today is 18th July 2026 and three most important news today. First is comes from the US and Indian Navy equipment deals. So first deal is about the helicopter named as MH-60R Seahawk. It is mainly purpose of the maritime securities and maritime submarines, anti-submarines, and navigation of the anti-submarines. So, first of all, the Indian Navy has received another MH-60R. Also, we are received the 21, 21 uh, 21 helicopters out of 24, or left are only three helicopters are left from the dealing of our $946 million deal. Earlier there was the 24 helicopters deal between the India and US. So today, in the last week, we are receiving uh, MH-60R Seahawk to the Indian Navy. It is received on the Kochi port. Kochi. We are now on. It is on Kerala last week. Okay. These are the I am underlined. These are main topics. That this is the anti-submarine welfare and maritime surveillance capabilities. It has capability to surveillance on the maritimes. And next is their budget is $946 million. Okay. Or we are receiving 21 helicopters out of 24s. Okay. uh, Bilateral ties. It is a bilateral ties. So almost all are the bilateral ties between the two state or two countries. Okay. Next news is India reject formal former Jamani ministers remarks the Shin project delay. Most appropriate project is India Japan Metro Fast Bullet Train project. It is expected to be completed in 2013, or a mega project of um, so-called mega project, but it is not completed today present time, or it is starting from the 2027. Its budget is allocated to the government, and working start from land acquisitions and covering up from the railway tracks. It is almost about the 538 kilometers. Also, India make a indigenous fastest train like a bullet trains, but it is not the bullet train. It is an indigenous making indigenous bullet like a bullet train. Also, uh, India making a trains. The before the Japanese bullet trains. Japanese bullet train is expected to come in India in 2030s, but indigenous rail who are made by BEHL is expected to runs, or expected to made in 2027. So first of all, we are talking in briefly. First, will provide the next generation E10 series. So its name is E10 series Shinkansen train. Shinkansen train. Its name is Shinkansen train. So its project is Mumbai Ahmedabad High Train Rail Project. Its name is MAHSR. MAHSR is important for the upcoming examinations, external affairs, railway, said on Friday. Okay. India Japan. So this is a news about the former Japan ministers say. What is actually a former? Formers have no uh, further. We are saying all are saying some statements, but we are ignored. Just as present government ignore the former statesmen, former ministers' statements. So these are same here. So some information about the trains of train regarding train. I also called you about the 2030s. Target is 2030s. We were received a bullet train from the Japan, name of E10 series. E10 series, under the development of the construction but rapidly processing. First, first spokesperson from the railway ministries. ठीक है, okay. The clarification on the social media posted by Japanese ministers. So, it is not important for your examinations. Launch in 2027. Japan has been playing. Japan has launched the manufacturing of the bullet train, so-called E10 series bullet trains, a mega project in terms of financing as well as the sharing technologies, engineering expertise. Railway officials said India and Japan has agreed, okay, to start the operation with the Indian high speed train, which is state to run at the, okay, so which is run to speed. Also, the India has started a plan to 280 kilometers per hour indigenous train. I also talk you in the starting of the video. It is developed by the indigenous VEML Limited, India Limited, is coach factory. Okay, we are starting an indigenous trains because India want to make a Surat Bilmora section, Gujarat, operational by August 2027. The Japanese E10 train will be only arrive in 2030. Oh, Indian trains will come on 2027, but Japanese train will come on 2030s. Okay, civil construction work along the 508-kilometer corridor has accelerated rapidly. Okay, the corridor is now construction under the 508 kilometers. Okay, German multinational Siemens installation, German's company, also the monitor this bullet train corridor sketch. Okay, next news is this is completed. Next is paragraph, or says analysis the Hindu editorial. So trade deals is important. We are, but also we take the first news is a helicopter. Second is first news is Seahawk helicopter between the India and US. Also these with 24 helicopters. Second is Japanese bullet train E10 bullet trains. This is comes in 2030s. Trade deal. Third is a trade deal that tests the Indian competitive confidence. The trade deal, agreement between the India and UK and India. Okay, why? What the agreement is a free trade agreement. So it is about trade agreement is usually the potential to export facilitation. A trade agreement between the India and the United Kingdoms. So first of all, we are noting that the India and US, in India face the very much like 100% tariffs from the US. But in case of United Kingdoms, India not facing the 100% tariff or any tariffs which are imposed on India. So relation between the India and UK and policies of UK are very good in compared to US. Okay, so many major sectors like service sector, manufacturing sector and textile sectors, India will face will not face any problem like US and other countries, tariff countries. Start with exports. First, we start with export because of there is immediate gain lie between the matter most nearly all about the export, about 99% of values. These 99% of values will enter the UK free. to, I also say, the free 99% of the value are free in a UK. Enter when it enter into UK, the tariff will fall to zero. Tariffs. So, in case of US, they have 100% tariffs, but in case of UK, bit like to zero. Not are not on the goods that headline, but on the good that matter to India as workers. Textile and garment, leather, footwear, marine products. These are the sectors. That first is textile, garment, leather, footwear, marine products. Okay. Processed foods, engineering items, and auto components. These are the labor intensive sectors. They employ precisely the worker India is most need to draw and productive formal jobs. A garment unit in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu, a footwear cluster in Agra, and compete the thin margin or duty of 12 to 60% between the winning an order and losing it. Hitherto, India has carried an handicap is aspect. Bangladesh, Pakistan, Cambodia already shipped their garment into Britain duty free file. The India export paid a tax. But here are the some contradictions between India and other countries. UK also not take any tariff from the nearest country like Cambodia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. But India have some taking a duty. From the India, UK will take some duty on textile. While the gap is now closed, that is the part of the agreement which deserve to be recognized because the bears directly employment. It is affect the employment on directly. Okay, and next we are taking the so India is the world largest supplier of, we are know uh, that India is the largest supplier of the medicine, generic medicines. Britain also why close to 30 billion of the pharmaceutical in a year. So Britain is largest importer of the Indian supply generic medicines. Okay, so let's we take starting that UK will stop the tax on our exports. India will also take to stop the some taxes on the supply of generic medicines. Okay, here the author says its opinion about the bilateral deals between the India and UK. Okay, another workers as company. Secondly, there have its security, maritime its security that we submitted twice double security की यहाँ पर here are double security as talking double contribution convention that effect alongside the trade pact of exempt workers their employers. Workers are also pay the double securities. They say face the very hard conditions. It money returned to Indian who get abroad work. Okay, after that, after the completion of award, the money will be returned to the workers. Opening markets there are 100. India has agreed to buy the cars as car markets, as car manufacturing. The importation of the foreign car in India is imposing a high duty. That's the reason of expensive car. That the expensive car of Britain, like Britain, expensive cars. Okay, use have door to door. India, Britain now intend to double their trade. India, as is the for way forward is that the India and Britain now intend to double their trade from about 56 billion by the end of the decade. Whatever they get will depend less than on tax signed last year than on the confidence worth within the use. What is the end? An agreement like this asks the nation to compete. Trimnakar said economically any government could. Okay, the way forward is that the trade between the India and UK of 50-60 billions, double their trade. We are our target is double the doubled our trades. Okay, so today has the Hindu analysis are almost completed, because these are three news are uh, almost very important in our today newspaper. Thank you. We are meet tomorrow at the new newses, and share all too for the important video. Thank you.